Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to withdraw from PayPal to mobile money. Depending on your country, PayPal may allow you to transfer funds directly to a linked mobile money account through a supported partner. If direct mobile money withdrawals aren't available in your region, you may need to transfer your money to a linked bank account first and then move it to your mobile wallet. Now let's get started. First, open the PayPal website or app and sign in to your account. Now make sure your mobile money account or linked bank account is already added to your PayPal account if supported in your country. Then go to your wallet or tap your PayPal balance in the app. After that, select Transfer Money or Transfer. Now choose Transfer to Bank or the available withdrawal option for your mobile money service. Then select your preferred transfer speed. You can choose Instant Transfer, which usually completes within minutes and includes a fee, or Standard Transfer, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days and may have no fee. After that, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Now review the transfer details, including any applicable fees and the estimated arrival time. Then tap Transfer Now or follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the withdrawal. Finally, wait for the funds to arrive in your linked bank account or supported mobile money account, depending on the withdrawal method available in your region. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.